Welcome to my YouTube channel. This page has been created, but it has no header. So we want to learn how to add header to Elementor page. To do that, go to the dashboard, go to appearances, click on menus. Under menus, so we are going to create our own menu. Under menus here, you can say create a new menu. Creating a new menu, you can name yours like nav menu to create. After creating a nav menu, these are the pages which you can add to your menu. So what you do, you select the pages here you need to add to your menu. For example, you can add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These pages here can display in your menu. So what you do next, you add save menu. After saving menu, you go to Elementor templates, theme builder. Open a new tab. Then here, click on header. After clicking on a header, I already created this one, but I'm going to delete it. So I will create a new one. So I can add a new menu or a new header. So these are already made menus, but now we are going to create ours from scratch. So what I will do is to remove this, then we create ours from scratch. We shall need a button, menu, and a logo. So we shall click on the 3-1. So now on the right hand, we shall put the button, then we put that one, contact us, line it, extreme, adjust this. Then now here we shall search, there is WordPress menu, drop it here. After dropping it there, come here and select the menu. We created a nav menu, which is this one here. Click on it. After clicking on it, or you can select any of these ones here. For example, menu 2, let us check menu 2, which is this one here. So align it to the left. Publish this one, add the conditions, entire site. If you need the menu to show in all pages, update. Then now here, we are adding a logo. So you get an image, go to the media, and the media library. A moment. So assuming this is our logo, select it. It will be there. Then it's time to style. You can set all of this to middle. Then you can even change the background color of this. Then the background color of the button, for example, mostly like you can change this one to this red. You can set it to sticky, a stick option, top and up, so that when you scroll, it's like that. Then now here you can style, like adding the text, reducing the text, etc. Even the button you can style just the way you always style. Then after that, you are done with creating your menu. So when you go to your page, then you preview it, you'll find that it has a menu. So once you scroll, you find that the menu sticks on top. So that's how you can create the menu. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.